What is up, traders, investors, crypto enthusiasts? Hello, and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't done it already, please like, subscribe, tick the bell for notifications, follow me on Twitter, get into the Discord, see trade setups that I post in the Discord. Anyways, without further ado, upon request of a comment, which very good for you guys to leave a comment with your request for certain coins, because I do the TA right here, video specially made for you. Anyways, we're going to be looking at Casper, as well as we're going to be going over Bitcoin, because there are some interesting turns of events happening in the crypto market on this day of dumping, Cinco de Mayo 2022. Anyways, let's jump right into the TA. Now, looking at Casper on the daily, I'm looking at the GateIo chart because GateIo just seems like it would be a lot better. Also, I don't know what this giant red thing is. I really don't, but it goes up to like astronomically high numbers. Bless whoever's heart it is that bought it at that crazy price. Anyways, we're going to just take it as this is your top price right here, 95 cents. So, being on the daily, this is where we're going to find our support and resistance levels. Your top level of resistance is right there. Now, let it be known, this is an S coin. I know nothing about this coin. All I'm doing is looking at the TA. Alright? Looking at the TA, all I can say is it does not look great. It looks like nobody's buying this. Sorry to say, but that's what it looks like. You do have other levels of resistance. You're gonna have to fight through literally all of it, because wow. Oh, you even got a pocket right here. Are you kidding me? Ugh, gross. Anyways, those are really your main levels of resistance. I mean, we could throw one here too. And I guess because we have a peak here and it was regarded as support. Okay, we have all of our resistance and support levels. So if this token literally coughs in the right direction, starts catching some bids, you are going to see a rise up 80% from where you're at. 80%. And that's noted if anybody even sees this project ever. But alas, let's see what kind of downward pressure we've been dealing with. So you can see a peak here. We're going to anchor it. And then a peak there. Okay, cool. We got this and this. So you're in a falling channel. Falling channel, it looks like you're hitting the heart line. Let's just get a better look at that using a channel, because we can do that. Because, you know, it's the future and this is what we have. So we're gonna actually make that channel. So there we go. Bring it down. So we got our channel. Looks like we are regarding the heart line as resistance, which is kind of awful. But in the short term, if you can find bids, noted, that's a big if. Big if. Looking at 55% to the upside. You can see you did set your first higher low. So hopefully this actually holds. Hopefully all the sellers are gone and you only have holders left. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. See if we can get a little bit of data. Okay, 4-hour looks like you're trying to put in some bullish momentum. As I said before, you did put in a higher low. So nice thing about this, if you are trading this, you can put a really tight stop loss. Really tight stop loss. So this is your current supply line. Actually, it's a little lower. I shouldn't do it justice like that. So anyways, this level right here looks like a bottom, double bottom, because that is almost a straight line. Adam and Eve, double bottom, slightly higher low. But you can also see you're still dealing with that downward pressure because the markets are down right now. But yeah, actually, on the 4-hour, this looks promising. It looks like you're about to start catching some bids. So Casper does not look bad on the 4-hour. On the 1-hour time frame, you are curving bullish. You're fighting through the resistance here. Not bad. Let's check out the 15-minute. 15-minute, you're going up. You got plenty of room to go up. So yeah, Casper actually looking pretty darn decent. Also completely oversold. If this isn't the bottom, I don't know where it's going to be. I mean, we could argue it could be all the way down here at the bottom of the channel, 3.42 cents, but I think that's going to cause like people who bought before it even got listed on exchanges to throw the coins on the exchange and then sell from there. So I find that highly unlikely. They've been sticking around this whole time. They stuck around through the good, the bad, and also if they got in that early, they're probably still up. Anyways, first price target is actually the top of this channel, and you're looking at 9.26 cents. Your stop loss actually would be very, very short. Your stop loss would be at 5.41 cents, maybe 5.42 cents. Either way, you'd be preventing yourself from way deeper losses. This is what I see out of Casper. Casper actually looks decent. Looks good. Looks good. Still don't know anything about the coin, so don't get mad at me. Don't get mad. I'm just pointing out what I see on the chart. Now let's go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has been going through some pains today. However, it did something very amazing. This is actually something really to look at. Oh boy. I'm super excited about this. So I have marked out this channel that we've been in for what feels like decades, but we entered into the channel back here on December 28th of 2020. Now, we took that nice run up, we came down, we used it as support. We took another run up, came down, used it as support again. So this is where we set up this channel, going to the upside, an ascending channel. Now, we did get into this little upper trend that now we have broken outside of, so we technically could get rid of it. I'm not going to yet because I want to see if we actually backtest it as resistance again. But then, on top of that, we were putting in this little bit of a bull flag that we broke outside of. However, we are right at that level. Backtesting this level of support. If we break this level, that's going to be awful. We're coming straight down here, 34,300. If we break that, then we're coming even lower to 33,000. We don't want to do that. However, everything is showing we could be holding this right here as we are slowly breaking back into this little channel. This has me really, really excited. So the wick down, scare off everybody, liquidate all the longs. Bitcoin likes to do this right before big runs. It really does like to do this. The thing that worries me is on the 4-hour time frame, we broke outside of it. Now we're regarding it as resistance. What we really need to see in the next 2 hours and 16 minutes on the daily candle close, we need to get a break back inside and then fight to get back up here to 38,100. That would make me extremely bullish. But if you see, we are oversold on the stochastic RSI, oversold on the relative strength index, on both the 4-hour and on the daily. We're sitting right in the middle. We could start going up. I mean, yes, we could go down, sure, but on a technical standpoint, we do have bullish divergence showing seller exhaustion. So I'm leading to believe we're about to see a big time Bitcoin rally. Maybe it's not going to be right away, but we might just start trading sideways here before going up. I think we have a possibility of holding. Now, noted, anyone trying to take this trade right now, this is going to be a tough one. Me personally, I want to wait for confirmation. I'm not making this trade at all. But if I were a gambling person, if I were one of you gambling folks, my stop loss would actually be right below this wick, right down here, 35,500. Actually, it would be at the bottom of that candle, 35,500, and then first profit taking level will actually be this 38,100 level. That would be the first profit taking level. That's what I'm seeing. For those of you who believe we are going down, and I hope you get liquidated if you short this, you'd actually put a short in right now. Right this moment, you would put a short in. And your stop loss would actually be right above this wick right here. So you would have your stop loss 37,590. That would be your stop loss. And your profit taking levels would actually be down here between 34,400 and 33,000 even. Those would be your profit taking levels if you were trying to short the market, which I think is a terrible idea right now, because this is the biggest point of value Bitcoin has seen in the longest time ever. Let's go ahead and check out the 1 hour, see if we do see some downside potential. No. The 1 hour time frame is showing seller exhaustion, and we are going up. I'm pretty bullish on Bitcoin right now. I know. Everybody's like, you're down 7.93%. You should be bearish AF. You should be going out and working at McDonald's. No. No. Bitcoin looks too good to pass up. If I work at McDonald's because I'm going to dollar cost average into some of these altcoins as Bitcoin starts going up. That's the only reason. I'm just kidding. I'm not working at McDonald's. But that's what I see out of the markets. Hopefully this video helps you out, and hopefully you're keeping those stop losses tight. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Make sure you hit the like, hit the bell, subscribe, leave a comment if you want me to do any TA on one of your tokens, or better yet, join me live on Twitch. I will do the TA right in front of you, live. Anyways, take it easy. Catch you next time. Deuces.